my dear students, now we are going to the chapter wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is trigonometric ratios. Now we are going to the conceptual questions. The first question, that is, if tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3, then sin theta is equal to, first option 4 by 5 but not minus 4 by 5, second option 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5, third option minus 4 by 5 but not 4 by 5, and fourth option none of these. Now observe, so this question depends upon the trigonometric ratios. Actually given tan theta is minus 4 by 3. So tan theta is negative in second and fourth quadrant, since tan theta is positive in first and third quadrant, since according to the slogan, you know that all silver 3 cups, all trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant, and sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive in second quadrant, rest of the functions are negative. And in third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, rest of the functions are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive, rest of the functions are negative. So that's why observe, tan theta is, what is that solution for this one? Tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So this is negative, less than 0. Less than 0, negative. That's why tan is negative in Q2 and Q4. That's why we have to take a small diagram, right angle triangle. Here it is. It is theta, it is 4, it is 3, since opposite side by adjacent side. That's why according to the triplets it is 5. Now from this, sin tan theta is negative. That's why theta belongs to Q2 or Q4. Theta belongs to second quadrant or fourth quadrant. That's why we have to find the value of sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. That is 4 by 5. So it is positive where theta belongs to Q2. And sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. It is negative since theta belongs to Q4. That's why in second quadrant sin is positive, in fourth quadrant sin is negative. That's why the results of sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. That's why that is in second option. 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to the question, that is, if theta lies in the first quadrant, then and 5 tan theta is equal to 4, then 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole by sin theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to. Now the first option 1 by 14, second option 3 by 14, and third option 5 by 14, fourth option 0. Now solution for this one. So given theta belongs to Q1, that's why in first quadrant all are positive, and also given 5 tan theta is equal to 4. So from this one, tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Now we have to take, that means tan theta is equal to 4 by 5, that is positive. Now to find this one, 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by sin theta plus 2 cos theta. So for this one, we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by cos theta. That is 5 sin theta by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta plus 2 times of cos theta by cos theta. That's all. So here it is. So So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That's why this is 5 tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. And cos theta gets cancelled, it is minus 3 whole by. Here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. And cos theta gets cancelled, it is plus 2. Now, we have the value of tan theta is 4 by 5. It is positive since theta belongs to Q1. Substitute there. 5 times of tan theta is 4 by 5 minus 3 whole by, so 4 by 5 plus, here 5 gets cancelled. Now 4 minus 3 by, here it is 4 plus 10 by 5. That's all. 4 plus 10 by 5. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have to write reciprocal, then it is 5 by 14. So that is third answer. That's all. The value of this one is 5 by 14. That's all. Now we are going to one more model question, that is, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3, then the value of sin theta and the quadrant in which theta lies. That means we have to identify the value of sin theta as well as theta belongs to which quadrant. The first option, the value of sin theta is 5 by 13 and second quadrant, minus 5 by 13 and fourth quadrant, minus the 5 by 13 and third quadrant, and 5 by 13 in first quadrant. Now we have to solve the question. The question is, now solution for this one. So given secant theta plus tan theta is 2 by 3. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. We know that secant theta minus tan theta is 3 by 2. Since secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Since if secant theta plus tan theta is p, then secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by p. That's why they are reciprocals. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Now add these two. These two gets cancelled. That's why 2 secant theta is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. That's why 2 secant theta is equal to, here LCD is 6, 4 plus 9 this is. That's why secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. So this is positive, greater than 0. Now from this, subtract these two. That means secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to subtract. Here this is, these two gets cancelled. Then it is 2 tan theta is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. That's why 2 tan theta is equal to 4 minus 9 by 6. That's why tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12. So observe, this is a negative. So cos negative, tan positive. When it is possible, that is in Q4. So theta belongs to Q4. Theta belongs to Q4. Since cos is positive and tan is negative, that's why theta belongs to Q4. Now what required? Sin theta required. So we know that sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta. Sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta. Are you clear? Substitute here. The value of tan theta is nothing but minus 5 by 12. The value of cos theta is nothing but 12 by 30. That's why 12 gets cancelled. It is minus 5 by 30. So sin theta is equal to minus 5 by 30. That is lies in Q4. That's why minus 5 by 13 into cube 4 is the third option. That is right answer. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to the next question, that is, if 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma is equal to 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma, then each expression is equal to first option plus or minus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Second option plus or minus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. And so first option plus or minus sin alpha, cos beta, sin gamma. Second option plus or minus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Third option plus or minus sin alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. And fourth option none of these. That means observe, so two expressions equal. Given two expressions are equal. What are the expressions? 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma, which is equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma. That's why now each expression, the result of each expression there. Now solution for this question. So let us consider each expression taken as k. That's why k is equal to 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. That is equal to 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma. That's why each expression taken as k. That's why this part is k and this part is k. Now multiply them. So k into k. That means this part is k, this part is k. That's why 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma into this one. 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma. That's all. Now from this k into k square here. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, like that. 1 plus cos alpha into 1 minus cos alpha, 1 minus cos square alpha. So 1 minus cos square alpha, 1 plus cos beta into 1 minus cos beta, 1 minus cos square beta, 1 plus cos gamma into 1 minus cos gamma, 1 minus cos square gamma. That's all. Now from this we get here, it is nothing but 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but sin square alpha. That's why sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. That's why k is equal to plus or minus sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma. So that is in second option. That's all. So these type of questions are very, very important for objective expression. Now we are going to the same question, depends upon the same question, same concept. Secant alpha plus secant alpha plus tan alpha into secant beta plus tan beta into secant gamma plus tan gamma is equal to secant alpha minus tan alpha into secant beta minus tan beta into secant gamma minus tan gamma. So these expressions are equal. Now each expression is answer plus or minus 1, plus or minus secant alpha, secant beta, secant gamma, plus or minus tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, and 0. Now same process. Here let us consider this is k. Now product of them, each expression k into k. So observe secant alpha plus tan alpha into secant alpha minus tan alpha is nothing but secant square alpha minus tan square alpha. Secant beta plus tan beta into secant beta minus tan beta. Secant square beta minus tan square beta. And secant alpha plus secant gamma plus tan gamma into secant gamma minus tan gamma. Secant square gamma minus tan square gamma. That's why. So each bracket represents 1. We know from identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Like that. So this is 1, 1, 1. That's why k into k, k square. So k square is equal to 1. K square is equal to 1. Then k is equal to plus or minus 1. So k is equal to plus or minus 1. Since according to the identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So from that, k is equal to plus or minus 1. That is in first option. That's all. Okay. We are going to another model. Now we are going to one more question, that is secant theta. That means if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then cos theta minus sin theta is equal to first option root 2 sin theta, second option root 2 cos theta, third option minus root 2 sin theta, fourth option minus root 2 cos theta. Now solve this question. Solution for this one. Take that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Now this cos theta shift to that side, then sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Now from this sin theta is equal to, take common cos theta here, then it is root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. That's why now we have to multiply by root 2 plus 1 on both sides. Multiply by root 2 plus 1 on both sides. Then it is root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. That's why multiply here root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That's why it is 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Now from this we get here it is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta, since 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why shift to that side. This is root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. That's why cos theta minus sin theta result is root 2 sin theta. That is in first option. That's all. Okay. Now we are going to another model. Now we are going to the question, that is if x is equal to small r into cos alpha cos beta, y is equal to small r into cos alpha sin beta, and z is equal to small r into sin alpha, then x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, now the first option r square, second option r square sin square alpha, third option r square cos square alpha, and fourth option r square cos square beta. So this question, from this question we have to eliminate alpha, beta, gamma. That means in terms of that means cosine functions alpha, beta, gamma, what are the angles we have to eliminate from this one. That means definitely, so solution for this question. So what we have to find? X square plus y square plus z square. Now x square is r square cos square alpha cos square beta plus y square is r square cos square alpha sin square beta plus z square is r square sin square alpha. Now from these two terms we have to take common. From these two terms we have to take common r square cos square alpha. So r square cos square alpha into, here it is cos square beta plus sin square beta plus the last term, that is r square sin square alpha, r square sin square alpha. Now the result of cos square beta plus sin square beta is 1. That's why it is r square cos square alpha into 1 plus r square sin square alpha. Again, what we have to take common from these two? R square is common. Then it is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. From the same identity, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. That's why it is r square. R square into 1. That is r square. That's why x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. That's why that is in first option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now we are going to the question, if m is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta and n is equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta, then first option m square minus n square is equal to 4, second option n square minus m square is equal to to 4. Third option m square minus n square is equal to 1. And fourth option n square minus n square is equal to 1. So this is also the concept of eliminate theta. That's why we have to solve this question. Solution for this one. So m is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. And n is equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta. Now we have to add these. So m plus n is equal to, here sin theta gets cancelled. 2 times cosecant theta. Similarly, subtract here. That means m is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. And n is equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta. Subtract here. Then it is m minus n. Here minus n is cancelled. So minus 2 sin theta. That's all. Now product of these two. We have to find product of these two. M plus n into m minus n. So this is taken as 1. Now this is taken as 2. Now product of them 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Then it gives. So here 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Cosecant theta into sin theta. Actually, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. That's why it is m plus n into m minus n. M square minus n square is equal to minus 4 times of cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta into it is sin theta. That's why these two gets cancelled. M square minus n square is equal to minus 4. Now multiply with negative. Then it gives n square minus m square is equal to 4. That's what that is in second option. That's all. So these are the questions from that means trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios almost completed. You can revise all the concepts of trigonometric ratios. If you have any doubts, you will message me or you will ask me. Okay. So trigonometric ratios completed. After that, we are going to compound angles. The next topic is compound angles. So for trigonometry, definitely all the questions depends upon the basics and concepts. That's why you can approach the conceptual learning. That's why you can revise the concepts and you can practice all the conceptual points and you can do the questions and you can create the questions from the concepts. Okay, that's why trigonometric ratios completed. After that, we are going to the compound angles. That's why you can revise the concepts. Okay, bye all of you. Bye.